This is what I got to go through. Every day, every night, every day. Put it like that. This dog snore like a human. And it's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. He snore louder than me when he all in it. When he dead in his sleep, he gone. He snoring like a human being. And I'm telling you, he a trip, boy. You got to love him. My boy Hit, man. It's something special. He's something special, boy. I ain't even gonna lie. That boy's something special. And he's a nice dog. And he's a bad boy. And he hold that weight down, too. You know what I mean? On the exotic side. You know what I'm saying? Well, you got to love him. You got to love him.